garlic, peppers, onions, tofu, celery, spices, Worcestershire sauce, chili powder, hot sauce, turmeric, cumin, cayenne pepper, crushed tomatoes, mushrooms. The basic ingredients. Oh, hello folks. We are getting ready to go down to Florida for do some camping on the way down and on the way back. So we're making our winter chili, which we can stick in the fridge and just heat up. If we've got electric, we can microwave it, or we can throw it in a pan and heat it up. I've done this recipe before. Everything I put through the blender or the food processor. And usually when I make this, I make enough for 25 people. We got this going. We'll throw the onions in it. I do most of my hard cooking in a wok. Gotta get the garlic out of here. I've got everything pre-chopped because I didn't really think you needed to watch me chop stuff. I like to do this in the wok and stir it all up, all the hard vegetable stuff. And then put it in the Instapot, the Koseri. I got a Koseri, it's not a real Instapot. But because it just mixes better, I think, in the wok. I can really stir it up. I can't stir very well in the Instapot. And this really tells me how much I've got. And I can cut things up in here and really look at what it looks like. This much product in that little thing here. This is one full wok. I forgot to chop the mushrooms up. Everything goes through the little mini food processor though. The tofu especially needs to be in here cooking with all this stuff so it gets some flavor. I think I'm going to put the tomatoes in the what you call it, I'm going to put the hot stuff in here though. You got the cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a marvelous spice. It's got lots of good nutrients and all sorts of things in it. Oh, you know what I'm forgetting? I'm forgetting the carrots. I like Worcestershire sauce. I think it gives it a nice flavor, especially when it's vegetarian. Pepper, we did that. Cumin. Cumin's my favorite spice. And turmeric, because it's good for you too. I almost forgot the carrots. And it works. When all this stuff is done cooking, it will be soup. There's no question about it. It will be soup. Sure does heat up the house nicely. All right, we're shoveling it all into the Koseri. And we'll add the tomato sauce and the beans. And we cook the beans from dry beans, soak them overnight, and they were ready to go. Bought some new utensils at the grocery store for the trailer, so I guess we'll just use those to stir this all up. Look at that. Does that look great or what? The only thing is, it looks pretty green still. I wonder if it needs another thing of tomatoes. I think it'll cook down. I think it'll be alright. I think that looks good. Put that in the Instapot. And skewer that. And there's a button on here for chili and beans. We're going to adjust 30 minutes and let it go. It's on pressure. See what that's like. So I'll give you a taste. Stay tuned. Be right back. Well, it says it's done. Still got pressure on it though. Let's get the testing cup and a fork. Smells good. Looks like chili. Have you noticed there's no salt and pepper in this, so things are still very crunchy. It's got good flavor. Definitely needs salt and pepper. Well, folks, I'm gonna let this cook down and then I'll put it in individual containers, freeze it, put it in the trailer when I'm getting ready. Thanks for watching this video. I always appreciate to have you along. Akil is a little depressed because he's not having his fun, but sometimes you got to get work done. So, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, tell me if you didn't, tell me, you know, I've had some great comments from people telling me what they want to see, and I'm more than happy to have that direction. I take instruction well. And with that, thank you for coming, and we'll see you on the next video. Here's to you.